Once upon a time, in the Old West, there was a bank robbing cowboy.
Just paid me a visit down to the local bank. Look what I got. I'll put this in the box and bury the box. I can come back for it later. Nobody's gonna find that little baby. Oh, wow. Gonna find my loot.
We don't know where that treasure is. What's that?
A metal detector.
Wait, you think we're gonna find it with a metal detector?
Yeah.
Well, let's put out the fire and we'll go dig for it, okay?
Okay, let's go.
All right, did you put the shovel there in the backpack? Okay, here's the Dino-nator. Let's get in. We'll go look for your treasure with your metal detector there, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's put this in the back. There you go. Okay. Hey, where's the key here? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Key in there. Hey, did you hear that?
Yeah.
What is that? It's a Dilophosaurus.
Yeah.
Know what that Dilophosaurus is doing here? Oh man. Okay. Whatever you do, don't talk. Don't sneeze. Don't make a sound. Okay. Most of all, don't rip one, okay? Get some other plan to get out of here.
Drive off.
Yeah, but the problem with that is, if we start in motion, that Dilophosaurus sees movement from us, he's gonna spit that acid stuff on us. Man, on me, I don't want that, okay? Just like in the movie, you know? That could be bad, okay? We need another plan here. I know. Right there in that glove box, got a smoke stick. But you carefully sneak in there and get it, okay? Yeah, that's it right there. That's it.
It's quiet.
It's still there, it's quiet. All right, take this smoke stick right here, and I'm gonna light it, and I'm gonna put it right out here. Make a smoke cloud, and that Dilophosaurus is never gonna see us. We'll zoom off, okay? Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, get your seatbelt on there. Okay, here we go. Go. Quick, wait till there's a smoke cloud. There it goes. Yeah, look, he's distracted by it. Let's get out of here. Oh, it's not going.
Go. Quick.
Here we go.
Quick. You're only going 5 miles per hour.
Smoke's still there.
Yeehaw!
So long, Dilophosaurus.
Yeah! Take that, sucker!
Okay, Parker Angel B, you ready to go find the long-lost buried treasure from the bank robbing cowboy?
Yeah!
I don't know why you think it's out here, though, but oh well, we'll look for it.
Wait, stop here. This is the place.
This is the place?
Yeah, it has to be.
Okay, if you say so.
Well, power.
Okay, yeah, power that metal detector up, and
Okay.
which way do you think it is, huh? Oh, that way?
Oh, yeah,
That way? Okay, let's go.
Hiya! Oh, yeah?
Why are we, huh?
I thought something was over there.
Oh, okay. All right, you got that metal detector fired up full blast there, huh?
Yeah, full blast.
Okay, all right. I don't think you're gonna find anything out here with that.
Of course we are. I mean, if there's anything valuable in the chest that are like coins or metal, it'll pick up on the metal detector.
Okay, well, yeah,
Metal
I know it's a metal
detector.
detector and all, but keep looking. I don't think I see any. No, not on me. Keep going that way.
Bug.
Okay. Look, it's the T-Rex paddock.
Yeah.
We're entering the T-Rex paddock.
No.
Okay, this could be dangerous to go in there. Do you really want to go in there just to look for this treasure?
Yeah, we have to.
All right, well, let's go for it then.
Okay.
I'm ready, okay? Keep your eyes peeled in case T-Rex sneaks up on us from behind.
Peel them.
Okay, now what do? Do we go straight or left?
Left. That way.
Why do you think left?
I just have a feeling.
Okay, you and your feelings. T-Rex!
No, I was far away. I mean, I could barely even hear it yet.
I don't think T-Rex was that far away. I think T-Rex is getting closer. Okay, well, hurry up and see if you can find anything with that thing there because I want to
Whoa.
realize there's nothing out here. Let's get out of here and go back to Dino HQ, okay? What was that? Hey, you found found something there.
Yeah, I did.
I think you did. You found something. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yeah, it sounds like there's definitely something there.
Okay.
All right. What do we do now?
We dig it up.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go ahead and dig it up then. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, I got a shovel right here.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I'll shovel it up then. Okay. Whew. I don't think there's anything in here.
Well, there has to be. Didn't you hear it?
Yeah, I know, but maybe it was like a old sleepy dart or something, huh? I don't think there's anything here, okay?
I see there's something.
Wait, I hear something. What's that?
I don't know.
I think I hit something.
Oh, yeah.
I think there is something here. Here, get in here and dig it out of there, okay? Okay, yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here, do I need to get in there? Wedge it a bit here. Wait. I think it kind of looks like a chest, doesn't it? Here. Look.
Woo!
That's it.
Yeah, we got it.
This is the Cowboys treasure chest.
Yeah.
Hey, look, it's got a lock on it. You gonna get it off there?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. I think you got
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Look. It's all of his loot.
Yeah.
Okay, what's in here? What's that?
Ooh.
Hey, look.
Whoa.
It's his blaster.
Yeah.
Wow, looks like a real Old West blaster, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, not like our Sleepy Dog blaster.
Yeah, it looks pretty new. I wonder if it still works.
Let's find out some other day, okay?
Yeah.
What else is in here?
Ooh, it's a bandana.
Hey, is that a bandana?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a real bank robber bandana there,
Yeah.
huh? Oh, wait a minute. What are you doing there, huh?
Oh. It stinks.
Oh, yuck. Okay, here, put that over there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, ooh, we're running out of stuff here. Hey, what's all that? Hey, it's his loot.
Yeah.
Awesome, you found the loot. Wait, oh, wait.
Yeah. Oh,
Hey,
no.
wait, that's not all that's in here. Look
Dropping
what's
it.
underneath the loot. Look. What is this here? Hey, look. Oh. It's a map. It looks like a map.
Yeah.
That's the map to this treasure.
Oh.
He buried the map in the treasure. No wonder he couldn't find it.
Silly old
Cowboy.
cowboy.
Hey, oh wait, there's one more thing in here besides the loot. Look, it's like an old-time, Old West photo. That must be the cowboy.
Yeah.
He kind of looks familiar, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Does he look like somebody we know?
Nah.
Okay, just some Old West photo there, okay. Man, that's amazing. It's like that cowboy left us a time capsule full of all of his stuff from the Old West.
Oh, yeah.
So cool.
What's a time capsule?
A time capsule is like, you take like a box like this, and you put some stuff from your time into the box, and then you bury it for people to find 50 or 100 years later. And then they'll know what it was like when you were alive, you know, back 50 or 100 years earlier, huh?
Oh, yeah. I know. We should do our own time capsule.
Hey, that's a pretty cool idea. We could even use the cowboy's chest box that he used here and put all of our stuff in there. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? So wait a minute. Problem is, all we've got is his stuff.
I know.
What?
Hey.
What is it? Hey, wait a minute. Why are you walking around with a backpack full of dinosaur toys, huh?
Just in case, you know, we got stranded on an island from a crashed plane and there was nothing to do.
Okay, that's a good reason. Okay, so what do you got here? You got a Jurassic World Baryonyx and Jurassic World Mini Action Dinos.
Yeah.
Wait, you know what? I don't think these are both gonna fit in that little box there. Yeah, I think that's a little big. That's not gonna fit in there. But those will
That
fit.
fits, yeah.
But you're gonna have to open them up.
Okay.
Okay, you wanna open them up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it then, huh? Okay, so you wanna put the T-Rex, the Triceratops, and the Stygimoloch all in our time capsule?
Yeah.
You think that'll work?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, we gotta put more in there than just 3 dinosaur toys.
I know.
But your hat,
My hats.
but you need your park ranger hat.
Well, don't worry, I have another one back at Dino.
Okay, we'll go ahead and put that in there then, okay?
And this.
Hey, that looks like your photo from when you applied to be a park ranger all those years
Yeah.
ago. Okay, there we go. All ready to bury our time capsule then, okay? T-Rex! He's coming right for us. He's close, quick. Okay, we gotta do something. T-Rex is right over there.
I'll stand guard.
Okay.
You finish burying it.
Okay, I'll bury it then. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, okay. Go as fast as I can.
Very faster.
Ooh, hurry, he's getting closer.
Go,
Hold
go,
him
go,
off,
go, go.
okay?
Huh. Gotcha now, T-Rex.
So they'll find it in
No,
50 or 100
I'm
years.
out.
I got everything
No,
here.
here comes T-Rex.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Ugh.